Many people have trouble breathing and need to take medicine to help them breathe better. Medicine for your lungs can be taken many ways. One way is by using a discus dry powder inhaler. It is sometimes called a discus DPI. A discus is a device that lets you take medicine in powder form. You have to breathe in the dry powder medicine using the discus. This video will show you how to use your discus. The discus holds the dry powder medicine. When it is closed, the outer case covers the mouthpiece and lever to keep it clean. When it is closed, it also keeps the medicine from being used by accident. The lever moves to get the medicine ready. It lets you breathe in a single dose. The mouthpiece is where you breathe in the medicine. The counter keeps track of how much medicine you have left in the discus. How to use your discus. The first step to using your discus is to open it. Hold the outer case with the thumb grip facing up. Place your thumb in the thumb grip and slide it down until it clicks in place. When the discus is open, you can see the mouthpiece and lever. Next, while holding the discus with the mouthpiece pointing up, press down on the side lever until you hear a click. Press the lever all the way down to make sure your medicine is ready to breathe in. When you're ready to begin your treatment, blow all the air out of your lungs slowly. Next, place the discus mouthpiece in your mouth. Seal it with your lips. While sitting up and holding the discus, take a slow, deep breath through your mouth. You only need to breathe in one time. If you breathe in more times than one, you will not get more medicine. Hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds. This lets the medicine go deeper into your lungs. Close the discus when you are done taking your medicine. Keep it closed until the next time you use it. Hold the outer case with the mouthpiece pointing up. With your finger, slide the thumb grip up until you hear it click. Check your discus counter after every time you use it. This tells you if there is enough medicine for your next treatment. Also, rinse your mouth with water after every time you use your discus. This helps you to not get sick.